For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Decentraland price prediction. In this video, we will walk you through the latest Decentraland, Mana, Esteem prediction for 2022-2025, to say the very least, we take care of you. We will cover everything from how Mana isn't equivalent to various financial guidelines and taking care of by far most of the neighborhood blockchain inconveniences to the Decentraland cost projections for the next 10 years up to the ongoing day. Regardless, diving into the Mana cost measure and inspecting numbers that could get you depleted for not a conspicuous clarification using any and all means, let us examine the arrangement of encounters and a fundamental layout of Decentraland watching out and the state of affairs helping the blockchain with keeping an eye on its troubles. We will endeavor to answer these occasionally explained a few major problems as Decentraland, Mana, insightful theory. What amount will Decentraland be worth in 2025 or what amount will Decentraland be worth in 10 years? Decentraland by and by stays at $1.23 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $2,291,150,489, making it rank 33 on the main coins list. Mana has a 24-hour volume of $436,365,435, as demonstrated by TechNewsLeader Price Index. The worth of Decentraland has changed 5.4% in the beyond 24 hours. In the latest 7 days, the expense of Mana has a distinction of 4.38%. It is limited to the best stock of 1,844,088,736 coins. Decentraland past price analysis. As demonstrated by the latest data collected, the continuous expense of Decentraland is $1.24, and Mana is at this point situated number in the entire crypto climate. The spread stock of Decentraland is 1,844,088,705 with a market cap of $2,281,405,430. With an extension in its trading volume and market cap, the Decentraland's expense has shown a fair addition of 4.83% at this point. From the latest 7 days, the Mana was in an extraordinary vertical example and extended by 3.6%. Decentraland has shown solid areas for very of late, and this could be nice an entryway to make a plunge and contribute. Inside the latest month, the expense of Mana decreased by 61.315%, killing an astonishing ordinary measure of $1.96 from its continuous worth. This startling down suggests that the coin is in a dive right now, inferring that it will in general be a good buy and an astonishing entryway for the quick endeavor. The 90 days cost change is close 60.96% and the expense moved from an ordinary base expense of $3.11 to the best normal expense of $3.69 in the past 90 days. Decentraland is someplace close 69.77% with the most outrageous normal expense of the coin being around $3.80 and the base average worth of was around $3.15 in past 4 months. Decentraland, Mana, price prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. We anticipate future Decentraland cost assumptions Mana measure by applying significant man-made thinking, help specific analysis of the past worth data of Decentraland. We give a bold work to accumulate the best unquestionable data for the Mana coin, which integrates various limits like past worth, Decentraland market cap, Decentraland volume, and scarcely any longer. Accepting that you are wanting to place assets into modernized cryptographic types of cash and need incredible benefit from your endeavors, attempt to examine our assumptions. Decentraland price prediction 2022. As shown by our significant particular assessment of past worth data of Mana, in 2022, the expense of Decentraland is expected to arrive at essentially a level of 97 cents. The mana cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $1.09, with a run-of-the-mill trading cost of $1.01. Decentraland Price Prediction 2023. The expense of Decentraland is expected to arrive at essentially a level of $1.44 in 2023. The Decentraland cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $1.68, with a normal expense of $1.48 all through 2023. Mana price forecast for 2024 to 2025. As per the check cost and concentrated assessment, in 2024 the expense of Decentraland is expected to arrive at essentially a level of $2.01. The mana cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $2.44, with the ordinary trading cost of $2.07. The expense of one Decentraland should arrive at any rate level of $2.99 in 2025. The mana cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $3.55, with a common expense of $3.09 all through 2025. Decentraland Price Prediction 2026. Decentraland cost is guessed to show up at a most decreased possible level of $4.41 in 2026. As indicated by our revelations, the mana cost could show up at the most outrageous possible level of $5.19, with a common figure cost of $4.54. Decentraland Price Prediction 2027. As demonstrated by our significant specific assessment of past worth data of mana, in 2027, the expense of Decentraland is expected to be at around a base worth of $6.41. The Decentraland esteem worth can show up at a constraint of $7.57, with a commonplace trade worth of $6.59 in United States dollars. Decentraland, Mana, Price Prediction 2028. The expense of Decentraland is expected to arrive at essentially worth $8.95 in 2028. The Decentraland cost could show up at a generally outrageous worth of $11.16, with a commonplace trading cost of $9.21 all through 2028. Decentraland Price Prediction Forecast 2029. As per the check and concentrated assessment, in 2029 the expense of Decentraland should arrive at basically a worth $12.93. The mana cost can show up at the best worth of $15.59, with a regular worth of $13.39. Decentraland, Mana, Price Prediction 2030. The expense of Decentraland is expected to arrive at any rate worth $19.88 in 2030. The Decentraland cost could show up at a generally outrageous worth of $20